Positano. So we're waiting for our boat to come pick us up.
And the up is forward. Yep. That one work like the car. So it's very
Red button, go up. This is how you gotta learn when Will's driving. Have to hold on when Will's driving. How is it?
It is awesome. You might be able to see my knee. Cold bed.
Is it cold?
No, that's nice. Lovely. Chosen our next swimming spot for today. We're quite far down along the Amalfi coast now. We're past Ravello. Yeah, we'll just drop the anchor here.
Not sure where we are.
Amalfi coast.
Go, Wilhelm!
this beautiful spot here, somewhere off near Ravello. Ravello's just up there. And we're gonna head back now, but it's a bit early, so we'll still have time for another swim possibly. We got some really good drone footage. The water is so clear here, you can see the bottom. And there's heaps of fishes as well, so we went snorkeling, that was really cool. So now we're heading back to Positano. We have to give the boat back for 1 PM, but it's probably 12 now, so we still have a bit of time. Should only take us about half an hour to get back to Positano. What do you think, Dad?
Awesome, fantastic.
Ma?
I'm hungry. Pizza.
Yes, pizza time. We're just here having lunch. We're separated from Mum and Dad. And we're having our own little lunch date. I've ordered some gnocchi and Will's got some pasta.
Great. It's all she's eating. It's all I can afford after this trip.
Wow.
Oh
So
my
bought
God.
Mum some birthday treats.
I've just had one of these every day. I'm looking forward to the boo.
Yeah.
Ooh, and what's this one?
The word looked like chocolate mousse, but we're not sure.
Oh.
She didn't say.
It was choc mio.
Oh, I can do that.
Oh, moonhead. Yeah, I know.
Boonies,
Where's the wrong
rainbows.
part of the song?
Oh. Should we have it with limoncello?
Yes,
look,
we'll
I
get some
vote-
limoncello.
I vote-